Mga laro, Sabado't Linggo. Mga laro, Sabado't Linggo. Dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. O March Sabado nights, tara na't maglaro. O March Sabado nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. O March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. O March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Omart Sabado Nights Basketball League is brought to you by Kaiju, Fit 21, H&H Shen's Love, Avatar Sneakers Apparel at iba pa, FMSR Corp, Emol Freight, Easy Gone, Nicholson's Plain Shirts and Prints, the official outfitter of OSNBL, R&J Project Scoots, Inner Kings. OSNBL, angat ang antas ng laro.
O March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. O March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
High pump fakes. Goes in and looking right. Kyrie Soto with the hook shot. Well, Kyrie the Dream making his announcement here in the game.
O March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. O March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
High pump fakes. Goes in and looking right. Kyrie Soto with the hook shot. Well, Kyrie the Dream making his announcement here in the game.
Oh March, Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh March, Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go! Mga laro, Sabado't Linggo, dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. Oh March, Sabado nights, tara na't maglaro. Oh March, Sabado nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. Oh March, Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh March, Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Omart Sabado Nights Basketball League is brought to you by Kaiju, Feet 21, H&H Shen's Love, Abitar Sneakers Apparel at iba pa, FMSR Corp, Emol Freight, Easy Gone, Nicholson's Plain Shirts and Prints, the official outfitter of OSNBL, R&J Project Scoots, Inner Kings. OSNBL, angat ang antas ng laro.
Oh March, Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh March, Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Ty pump fakes. Goes in and lifted right. Kyrie Soto with the hook shot. Well, Kyrie the Dream making his announcement here in the game.
Oh March, Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh March, Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
High pump.
Banana Court. Alphas versus Ballers sa ating first game on the last day of round robin. Shout out kay Omi watching sa live. Magandang gabi, Ref. Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga tatay. Inuwan tayo mamaya.
Hindi yung race nakadilaw. Hindi nakadilaw. Nakadilaw yun. Nakadilaw? Mag-score. Wala pa. Wala pa. Zero no.
May banda.
Mga laro, Sabado't Linggo, dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. O March Sabado nights, tara na't maglaro. O March Sabado nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. O March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. O March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Oh, sige.
Omar Sabado Nights Basketball League is brought to you by
Naka-record na ba?
Kaiju, Fit 21, H&H Shen's Love,
Okay.
Habiter Sneakers Apparel at iba pa.
Let's get ready for the first game. Alphas versus Ballers. OSNTL, angat ang antas ng laro. Tangina, bumibitaw siya.
Torture na, all shoot ni torture.
Yan, tapos patayin mo lang. Okay ba? Okay na, ano?
First 5. Enter the playing court.
Jump ball between Sean Cortez and sino ba? And Majo Gamat. Hawks referee, let's go. Abitabier secures the ball. Pass to Borsio. Borsio inaagawan ni JL. JL steals the ball. San Jose. For the shot is good.
Jail San Jose.
Majo. With a shot. Ganda naman noon.
Majo Gama.
Javier. Nagbababa. Javier. Pass to Borsio. Borsio for the shot. No good. Foul.
Foul on number 23, Arbit Cabuas. His first personal foul, first team foul for the Alphas.
Yamio. Pass to Majo. Majo for the shot. No good. Majo again. Stolen pero recovered. Majo for the shot. Wala pa din. Alroy.
Foul on number 04, RJ Villegas. His first personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Alroy Merlado.
All si RJ. Pumasok, pumasok. Majo for the shot.
Majo Gama.
Five pala, 5. Pumasok yung isa. Abitabier. Naghahanap. Majo for the shot. No good. Rebound by Cortez. Cortez. Pass to De La Cruz for the layup. Wala. Yamio crosses over. Harass by Cortez. Borsio Javier for the shot. No good. Rebound by Cortez.
Sean Cortez.
Abitar. Inagis.
Outside.
San Jose, pass to RJ. Villegas for the shot, no good. Rebound by Cortez, pero
Same ball.
San Jose. Late. Pass to Cortez is good.
Sean Cortez from JL San Jose.
Lamang na ang Alphas ng isa. Javier, tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound by Majo. Majo for the shot.
Majo Gama.
Lakas ng ulan sa labas. Stay dry, pips. Siya, no good. Pass to Yamio. Yamio nagbaba. Yamio, pass to Javier. Javier. No good.
Outside.
Javier for the layup is good.
Abet Javier.
Sino foul? Hey, ano ba? Sino foul, bro? Ha?
Foul on number 14, Majo Gamat. Is first personal foul, second team foul.
Majo. Pass to Alroy. Alroy to Javier. Javier harassed by De La Cruz. Block. What a block by RJ. RJ naghahanap. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Pass to San Jose. Pinasa kay Cortez. Cortez for the shot. Wala. Rebound. Cortez pa din. Walang foul yan. Majo Gamat na baba ng bola. Majo for the layup. Wala pa rin. Good defensive effort by RJ Villegas. San Jose for the layup is good.
Del San Jose.
San Jose, pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz for the shot, no good. Rebound by Alroy, stolen by San Jose.
Del San Jose.
Yamio to Majo. Majo, naghahanap na kampe. Javier. Back to Majo for 3. No good. Rebound by Javier, pass to Yamio for the shot, is good.
John Paul Yamio.
12-11, isang puntos na kalamangan para sa Alphas. Nabubas, hesitates, pinasa kay RJ.
RJ Villegas.
Block by Sean Cortez. De La Cruz, pass to San Jose. Stolen, pero recovered by De La Cruz. De La Cruz, for the layup, pinasa pala yan.
Outside.
14-11, lamang ng 3 ang Alphas.
Traveling.
RJ Villegas for the shot, no good. Rebound by Alroy Perlado. Perlado nagbababa ng bola. Perlado.
Traveling. Timeout Bowlers.
Magandang gabi sa ating live viewers.
Back to the ball game.
De La Cruz for 3. No.
Air de la Cruz 3.
Alroy pass to Gamat. Pass to Yamio. Yamio hesitates. Yamio harassed by San Jose. Pass to Javier for the shot. Libre, no good. Outside. Cortez nagmamadali. Nagbitawa ng bola pero may nakitang foul.
Foul on number 4, JP Amio.
First 10, no?
His first personal foul. Second team foul.
First shot, wala. Para kay Cortez. Second shot is good by Cortez. Javier for the shot. No good. Rebound by RJ Villegas. Nagbababa ng bola si San Jose. San Jose being harassed by Borcio. Cortez for the layup is good.
San Cortez.
Unti-unti na lumalayo ang Alphas. Sige, kita nila bro. Kita nila. Maggio for the shot. No good. Pierre de la Cruz. Pass to San Jose. Libreng-libre yan. Pwede pang matulog.
Del San Jose.
Ito ang ating number 2 team versus the number 6. Villegas. Pass to Pierre de la Cruz. De la Cruz crosses over.
Rebo.
Ayun, galing yan bro. Hey. Stolen by JL. JL nagbababa. Sean Cortez. Kuya JL. JL.
Del San Jose.
Maggio. Setting up. Maggio crosses over. Naagawan. San Jose to Cortez. Cortez. What a defensive effort by Abet Javier. Sub. De la Cruz for 3.
Pierre de la Cruz 3.
Tambak na.
Alroy Perlado.
San Jose nagbababa. San Jose. Pass to Cortez. Cortez lays up. No good. Rebound by Maggio pero nakuha ni Yamio. Yamio nagbababa. Yamio to Santos. JB Santos shoots. No good. Rebound by Yamio again. Yamio frees away. Wala pa rin. Alroy Perlado. Rebound. Santos to Yamio. Yamio hesitates. Pass to Javier for 3.
Abet Javier 3.
What a play by the ballers. 35 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Villegas for the shot is good.
RJ Villegas.
24 seconds remaining in the first. Gamat. Pass to Javier. Abet Javier pupukol ulit ng 3. Wala. 14 seconds. Santos wala. Last shot para sa Alphas. San Jose for the layup is good.
Del San Jose.
Muntik na pumasok yan.
End of the first quarter. Ang ating score 31-16. Lamang ang Alphas.
Tama ang Omar.
Second quarter.
Ano ba wala, pre? Shorts. Free throw. Personal foul yan, eh.
Technical foul on JL San Jose. Not wearing the proper uniform. Technical shot is no good. Second quarter.
Personal yun, eh. Wala. Team foul yun. San Jose nagbaba ng bola. San Jose pass to Cortez. Cortez for the shot is good.
John Cortez.
At tuloy-tuloy na ngang lumalaki ang lamang. Javier for the rebound. Javier for 3. No good. Sino foul, pre?
Foul on RJ Villegas. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Pasok. Javier for 3.
Johnny Javier, 3. Majo Gaman. John Cortez.
Yamio for 3.
JP Yamio, 3.
San Jose for 3. Wala. Maggio for the rebound. Pass to Perlado. Perlado nagbababa ng bola. Perlado being harassed by San Jose. Stolen by San Jose. San Jose nagbababa. Villegas fakes. Villegas shoots. No good.
Alroy Perlado. RJ Villegas.
40-24. Javier for the shot, no good. Rebound by Maggio.
Majo Gaman.
Johnny Javier. Pumuposte. Pass to Marcelo. Marcelo to Cortez.
Sean Cortez.
Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga ama. Abet for the shot is good.
Abet Javier.
Jel San Jose. Umiikot. Jel. Pass to Sir Cortez. Nakuha ni Jel. No good pa rin. Villegas for the shot. Wala pa rin. Javier pass to Santos. Santos nagbababa ng bola. Santos for the layup.
JB Santos.
Stolen by Baggio. Baggio for the layup is good.
Majo Gama.
At unti-unti nang bumabalik ang bowlers sa larong ito. Villegas.
Timeout Warriors. Back to the ball game.
Javier. Villegas for the shot. Wala. Wala bang foul?
Meron sa RD, pero team foul lang. Pero third foul lang. Wrestler pa lang.
Ano?
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul. Pero tatlo na siya.
JP Amio 3.
At ganun-ganun na lang. Ay 7 na lang ang lamang ng Alphas. Babawi kaya si Kerr?
Kerr de la Cruz 3.
Narca hesitates, pass to Santos. Santos for 3.
JB Santos 3.
At meron tayong 3-point shootout na nagangari. Sino pumasok?
Sean Cortez.
Marcelo, inikot. Cortez for the shot is good.
Sean Cortez.
Sino foul?
All number 4, JP Amio.
Substitution, pre. Mamaya.
Second personal foul on JP Amio.
JV for 3, no good.
Jubilee Narca.
with a power move, no good. Sub. Sub, pre, sub. Sub. Sino?
First personal foul on Johnny Javier.
Ilang team foul?
Third team foul.
Isa pasok. Isa lang pasok, no?
Isa lang.
And then a Bruce Reed.
Pati offensive rebound nilalagay ko sa stats. Rebound rin yun, di ba? Kapag ikaw maglalagay,
Ruben Arca.
Stolen by Marcelo. Pass to Cortez. Fades away. Is good.
Sean Cortez. Sean Cortez. Foul on number 20, 29, Yuan. First personal foul, second team foul.
One minute, 4 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Enriquez hesitates, pass to Santos. Santos to Posada. Posada for 3. No good. Rebound by Villegas.
First personal foul on Nico Enriquez.
Here. Stolen by Yuan. Posada, nagbababa. Pass to Enriquez. Stolen by San Jose. San Jose nagbababa ng bola. San Jose to Marcelo. Marcelo lays up. What a move by Marcelo.
And Marcelo.
10 seconds. Posada for the shot. No good. 4 seconds. 2, 1.
And Marcelo, 3. End of the first half. Ang ating score 63-43. 20-point lead by the Alphas.
Oh, pantay naman. Juan Enriquez, Nico Enriquez. May ano tayo ngayon? May food tayo ngayon. Meron. Ay, naku, pagtapos.
Third quarter.
Posada to Borcio. Borcio for the shot. No good. Rebound by Enriquez. Enriquez back to Posada. Posada to Juan Enriquez for 3. No good. Enriquez for the rebound is good.
Nico Enriquez.
Marcelo. Harassed by Enriquez. Cabubas fakes. Stolen pero recovered by San Jose. San Jose umikot. San Jose for the shot. No. Wow!
Gil San Jose.
Akala ko lalabas yun ah. Narga to Borcio. Borcio harassed by JL.
Foul on number 05, JL San Jose. Second personal foul, first team foul. Janjan Posada.
What a shot, no good. Rebound by Enriquez. To Posada, harassed by Kier de la Cruz and San Jose. Posada slices through the defense pero naagawan. Kent Marcelo nagawaba ng bola. Kent nahawakan niya ng bowlers. Walang bitawang internet natin ngayong gabi.
Papagalitan ko kasi.
Juan Enriquez.
Marcelo crosses over, pass to Cabubas. Naghahanap ng papasahan, nakakita ng open lane, Cabubas no good. Enriquez pass to Borcio, Borcio nagbaba ng bola. Borcio fakes. Pass to Narca. Narca back to Borcio, Borcio for the shot, no good. De la Cruz to San Jose, San Jose nagbaba. San Jose to Villegas for the shot, is good.
RJ Villegas.
Mamaya pantayan. Nico Enriquez wala. Rebound by RJ Villegas. Villegas pass to Marcelo. Marcelo nagbaba ng bola. Marcelo for the shot is good.
Kent Marcelo.
Ha? Oo, mas malaki. Okay lang. Narca for the shot is good.
Jubilee Narca.
Pwede pala yun ah. Narinig nyo ba yun mga ano? Mga live audience? Posada, pass to Enriquez. Enriquez for the layup. Troubling.
Rolling.
Ano kaya pag... Sin?
and Marcelo.
Sino?
Yale San Jose. Janjan Posada.
May sub ha? Sub kayo bro, no? Pre, sub kayo? Pre, may sub ha? Ano? Dos lang?
RJ Villegas. Jubilee Narca. Foul on number 29, Yuan. Substitution. First personal foul on Yuan. First team foul.
Rebound by Marcelo. Marcelo for the shot, no good.
Sean Cortez.
Sino nakashoot?
Janjan Posada.
What a block by Majo. Posada, may nakitang foul.
Foul on number
Sino pre?
foul on number 05.
Yes, San Jose.
Low. Third personal foul, second team foul.
Stolen by JL San Jose. Here, pass to Marcelo. No good. Rebound by Santos. Ay, Javier pala, sorry. Stolen by. Nakuha na by De La Cruz. Kabubas, pass to San Jose. Place. Cortez for the...
Sean Cortez. Foul on number 3, Awit Javier. First personal foul, second team foul. Janjan Posada.
Johnny for 3. No good.
Foul on number 05. Yale San Jose. His fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate.
Sub daw, sub. Meron ba? Ah. Posada for the rebound. Posada, biglang pumukol ng tres.
Janjan Posada, 3!
There, pass to Arvin Cabubas. Cabubas.
Pauli yan po sa tama yun.
Javier. Javier to Cortez. Pass to Marcelo for the shot.
Foul on Janjan Posada, his first personal foul, 13th foul.
First shot is good by Kent Marcelo.
Jimmy Santos.
Steal by Majo. Posada nagbababa. Posada slices through the defenders, no good. Javier for the shot, wala pa din. Rebound by Cortez. Cortez pass to Javier. Javier stops and pops, is good.
Johnny Javier. Janjan Posada, 3!
Marcelo to Javier for the shot, no good. Rebound by Javier. Posada nagbaba ng bola. Posada, running shot again for 3, is good.
Janjan Posada, 3!
Javier for 3.
Johnny Javier, 3! End of the third quarter. Ang score, 85-73. Lamang ang Alphas. Fourth quarter. Foul on RJ Villegas. His fourth personal foul, first team foul. Majo Gama.
Wow! No good. Rebound by Abet. Pass to Jubiri. Narca. Narca for the shot.
Traveling.
3, no good. Rebound by Posada. Posada, Tinages, papunta kay Narca. Narca to Majo. Majo fakes, Majo shoots, is good.
Majo Gamay.
8 na lang ang lamang ng Alphas.
Foul on number 26, Jubilee Narca. First personal foul, first team foul.
San Jose setting up. Pass to Marcelo. Fakes. Marcelo drives. Pass to Villegas. May nakitang foul kay Abet Javier.
Foul on number 3, Abet Javier. His second personal foul, second team foul.
Second shot is good. 2 of 2 by RJ Villegas. Boarding na boarding si Posada.
Foul on number 18, Kent Marcelo.
Ano na?
His first personal foul, second team foul.
May isa ba mamaya? Grabe mag-boarding si Posada. Patay ang board.
Same ball. John Posada. RJ Villegas.
Sino Paul? Usman rep.
Repos foul, taas kamay. Number 8, foul by number 8, Nico Enriquez. His third personal foul, third team foul.
What a pass, no good. Rebound by RJ. RJ naghahanap. Kent Marcelo, easy lang daw. 7 minutes and 12 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Marcelo crosses over. Marcelo to Kier. Kier de la Cruz for 3. No good. Rebound by Posada. Posada nagbaba ng bola, being harassed by Sean Cortez and JL San Jose. Posada, running shot is good.
John Posada.
San Jose. San Jose crosses over. Cortez fakes. Blocked by Posada. 10 seconds to shoot. Marcelo. Marcelo to San Jose. San Jose na agawan ni Posada. Posada dumidiskarte. Libre-libre si Narca. Narca for the shot is good. Time out.
Jubilee Narca, timeout Alphas.
Sino yun?
RJ Villegas.
Sino yun?
John Posada. Hernán Cruz. And Marcelo.
Sino yun, Dre?
Majo Gama 3.
May sub ha, may sub. Care for the shot, no good. Rebound by Kent. Kent Marcelo. May nakitang foul.
Foul number 4. JP Amio.
Ilan?
Third personal foul, 14th foul.
Pasok ko na. Seven. Jan. Boarding is good.
Jan Posada.
Ten seconds to shoot. Marcelo naghahanap. Villegas fakes. Villegas sumikot for the shot. It's no good. Rebound by Posada. Posada nagbaba ng bola. Posada for the shot. No good. Rebound by Jumili. Narca to Enriquez. Yuan for the shot. It's good. Gamat for three.
Majo Gama 3.
Sino?
Johnny Javier. Majo Gama.
$99 all. 3 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Marcelo. Pass to Javier. Javier, 10 seconds to shoot. Oh!
Foul number 4. Penalty. Fourth personal foul on JP Amio.
First shot is no good by Johnny Javier. No good.
First personal foul on Kier de la Cruz, first team foul.
Lamang na ang bowlers.
Foul on number 4, JPMU, graduate. Penalty.
Isa lang.
Outside.
Sino?
Johnny Javier.
Sino?
Number 95, Johnny Javier. Second personal foul, fourth team foul.
Ang ina, nakahanap din ng internet. Ayop na yan. First shot is good by Posada. Pasok. Wow, what a pass!
Kier de la Cruz from Ted Marcelo. John Posada. Penalty.
Sino pre? Sino?
Kier de la Cruz, second personal foul, penalty. Kent Marcelo pala, sorry.
Patay ang board dito, no? No. Wow! Good!
Juvenil Arca. Majo Gama. Time out, Alphas.
Laging ganun ang storya ng Alpas. brother. Inahabol. Hit.
And Marcelo.
Sino pre?
Foul on Sean Cortez. First personal foul penalty.
Pasok pre.
Third personal foul penalty. Time out, Alphas! Back to the ball game. End of the ball game. Ang score 112 to 106. Win by the Bowlers.